Alright, the last part I ordered is possibly the coolest one. It's a seat knob to replace the key lock that opens the seat for charging. So instead of using your key, you just twist this knob. Every time you pull up to a charging station, you have to pull the key out, fumble around trying to get it in the lock, or if you have a keyless bike like Jen, you have to take the key out of your jacket to charge. And the whole process takes more time than I want to spend when I'm out on the road trying to plug in as fast as possible. So this part was originally designed by Chris Paz, and then Rob had it machined out of metal, so the final product is really good quality. To get access to the lock, you have to take off this charging port surround piece. It's just a whole bunch of 3mm Allen bolts. But if your bike has CCS2, it might also have this manual release lever. So getting this off takes some finesse. What's up? Next step, find all the Allen bolts that hold on the tailpiece and unscrew them all. And then you can lift the tail and the seat right off. So right in here is the seat lock, and to get it out, okay, I unscrewed the piece at the ends and took the spring out, but you can just unhook the cable. That's a lot easier. And that way you don't risk dropping stuff under the charger and losing it forever. I just didn't know what I was doing at the time. I found it helps if you loosen up this side panel, because you have to get a huge wrench in there to unscrew this locking ring. Yeah, huge wrench. This is the only one I had, and I didn't want to go out and buy a proper one. Once the ring is loose, unscrew it, and the whole thing should just come out. The lock itself sits inside this cylindrical carrier thing, so to get it out, find something really pointy and strong. If you push down on this tab, it's kind of hard to see, but the lock should just slide right out. Yeah, this is the tab that needed to go down. Now you can put this lock in something else and use your Energica key for that. Your Energica key. Alright, next up, insert the knob. Put the spring on and that strangely shaped top piece. It's definitely way easier to do this stuff outside of the bike. What you don't see in this video is me trying to do it in the bike, and I don't suggest that. Okay, reinstallation goes like this. Line up the mounting bracket, screw on the ring, then hook up the cable and make sure it works. It works! As it turns out, it probably would have been easier to take the tail off before the charging port surround piece, but these are the things you learn when you take your bike apart without any idea of what you're doing. So it's a bit complicated, but look how cool that is. Coolest mod ever.